YouTube channel. Today's video is a special Valentine's Day video for you guys, so I'm just going to show you of what kind of foods that we've bought, well I've bought for Valentine's Day and our plans this year. So if you want to see what we have planned for Valentine's Day this year, then please keep watching. First of all, I just want to apologise if you hear any noises in the background. I do apologise for that. So this year for Valentine's Day is going to be a bit of a weird one because we're still in lockdown and we can't go anywhere. So I've come up with the idea of actually doing like a nice romantic meal indoors. Please excuse the way I look at the minute. I've just seen myself in the viewfinder and I look absolutely atrocious. So I do apologise for that. It is currently a Saturday the 13th. I'm actually recording this. So I'm going to record this today, edit it, sort it all out, put it on my laptop, then schedule it for Valentine's Day. So the day you are watching this will be Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to every single one of you, if you have partners or not, if you're just having a Valentine's, Galentine's, or shall I say, if you are spending it with your mates. If you're spending it on your own, you are not alone. We are all with you every step of the way. So before I show you all the lovely little goodies that I have found in Aldi's, first of all, I just want to explain something quickly. Me and Nathan said that we wasn't gonna, so I was just looking at my phone, me and Nathan wasn't gonna splash out on each other and buy presents and cards and stuff for this year because our anniversary is coming up. Our anniversary is the 4th of April and it's our 3rd year. So we've been together nearly 3 years now. And we would rather spend out more money on our anniversary than on Valentine's Day because we think that our anniversary is a little bit more important than Valentine's Day. We don't normally spend much on Valentine's Day as it is because why would we have one day just to tell each other how much we love each other when we tell each other every single day of how much we love each other anyway. Sorry if that's too mushy and people might not like it, but I do apologise. That's just the way we are. We tell each other how much we love each other every single day. We never go to bed on an argument. So what's Valentine's Day anyway? Valentine's Day is every year to us because we tell each other how much we love each other every day. So romance and everything is every day for us. We haven't exactly bought anything for each other until Nathan sprung this on me. So he got paid on Friday and he said he's bought me a couple of things for Valentine's Day. One of them will arrive after Valentine's Day because he bought it from Want That Trend. I'm going to show you in a minute. It's a pair of pyjamas that he knows I'm loving. I'm always in pyjamas every single day. I'm in pyjamas even when I come home from work. Slip off my work clothes into PJs. I think it's just most comfortable thing ever. I'm actually currently wearing a pair of pyjamas right now because it is Saturday. There's nowhere to go, so I'm wearing my Sephora Addiction pyjamas, which I got from Want That Trend. Well, actually Nathan got from the Want That Trend. Anyway, but yeah, he actually purchased this pair of pyjamas on Want That Trend because I love their PJs, especially if you've seen my Want That Trend haul with my Disney ones. You know that I love, absolutely love PJs from there. So Nathan bought these. They were £19.95 and it says happiness is my bottle of Sephora. I will show you guys anyway. But he said that these pyjamas might arrive after Valentine's Day. I'll bring it closer so you guys can see. So those are the pyjamas that Nathan has ordered me from Want That Trend for Valentine's Day. So now I kind of feel a little bit guilty because I haven't got him anything, but you know, we spend each other, well, we buy each other things throughout the whole year anyway, so it don't really matter. Plus our anniversary is coming up anyway and I haven't gotten anything yet, so hopefully I can find something. But yeah, he's got me that and he's got me a couple of other bits which is actually arriving today, which is Saturday. So the day you're recording this I would have already seen it. But yeah, he's ordered me a couple of more bits which I don't know about, but he's told me about them pyjamas because he said they will arrive after Valentine's Day. So now let's get on to the food and what's gonna happen. So like I said, Valentine's Day is a bit of a weird one this year because we can't go out, we can't book any restaurants or anything else. So So I thought, you know what, we'll have a nice romantic meal in. So when I was in Aldi's, I was just doing our normal weekly shop around Aldi's, and I came across these really, really cute food. Now, you guys will probably think, oh my god, why are you getting that for? That looks so stupid. But I think it's really, really cute. And some people, I've seen it all over Facebook, some people have picked them all up as well, and they absolutely love them. I showed Nathan, and he thinks it was really, really cute, and thought I was cute as well. And some of his work people have seen it as well, and they all called me soppy, bless them. Us this year on Valentine's Day, we're going to have a nice romantic meal indoors. We're going to have something to eat. We've got a load of goodies as well, downstairs in the cupboards and in freezers and stuff. But this is just a few foods that I've picked up that I saw, which is love heart shaped, which are absolutely cute. So, first things first are these. Now, I've bought 2 of these because it's one giant pizza. It's a mini pizza garlic bread. They are absolutely cute. Look at them. Now, the reason why I bought 2 is because I know that if we have half of each, it won't fill us up. So I thought I'd buy 2, 1 each, then we'll have them. We love garlic bread anyway, and we love pizza, so I put them together. You've got the perfect little gift here. So we have them as well. We have also these. Now, I know they're not love heart shaped, but it says on the top, Valentine's Day triple cooked chips. So we've got some chips to go with our pizzas. Also, I saw these and I thought, oh my god, they're so cute. Now, these are the love heart nuggets. Now, all these foods are, by the way, I've got from Aldi's. I can actually show you that they are in love heart shaped. So they are so cute. So we got chicken nuggets, chips and pizzas. And then for like afters, like I said, we do have other little bits downstairs as well. But I saw these. Now these are the mini heart pancakes, and they are shaped in little hearts. They are so cute. Absolutely so cute. And we've got Nutella and maple syrup as well downstairs, because we've got some other pancakes. So I thought buy some of these. They look so cute. Now I saw these, and I know Nathan loves them because I bought these kind of ones on Iceland for Christmas Day, and they all went in a matter of 30 minutes, literally. These are the Valentine's Day profiterole rolls. Now these are so cute. I will bring them closer to you guys so you guys can see. Can you see all the little decoration bits on top as well? They are so cute. You only get 8 in there, but that's fair enough. But yeah, I know that Nathan loves profiteroles because I bought some for Christmas Day, I think it was. Yeah, for Christmas Day, and they all went in half an hour, so I know they were pretty cute. And for breakfast, we can either have these for breakfast or we can have them for lunch. It's totally up to us what we do with them. But I saw these. Now, these are the love heart shaped crumpets. You get 4 in a pack, so look how cute that is. Sorry, I just hiccuped then. Look how cute they are. They are so cute. So I thought I'd buy them as well. So it's just a few little love heart things that I got from Aldi's. I said that is just a few little things that I got from Aldi's that are love heart shaped, like basically romantic. So we're going to have them, and I do have a load of other goodies downstairs as well. I do have some petals, like rose petals, left over from last year on our anniversary. So I'm going to scatter some of them down. I'm going to put some candles out. I might even take a picture and put it on my Instagram actually, and so every pictures I take of Valentine's Day and everything else will be on my Instagram. So my Instagram handle will be in the description box below for you guys. Go ahead and check it all out. It's got home decor. It's got like glossy boxes, look fantastic boxes, pictures of the house, pictures of absolutely everything that I put on my YouTube channel. It'll be all on my Instagram. But everything here I actually got from Aldi's. They were really, really reasonable price, not reasonable cheap, reasonable priced. They do have like roses and stuff in there. They are so lovely in there. I love Aldi's so much, especially for the Valentine's Day gifts and stuff. They are so cute. I was going to buy some chocolates and stuff, but we've already got some goodies as well. So yeah, I thought I would tell you guys and show you guys of what kind of Valentine's Day. So guys, I'm going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Today's video has been a Valentine's Day special, so if you have a partner or if you're spending it on your own, I will wish you a happy Valentine's Day. Make sure you have the best day ever. I hope you're all staying safe, whatever you are doing. If you're staying in, having a meal for one, or having a nice romantic meal with your other half, whatever you're doing, make it special and make it just nice and cozy. Especially out in the cold weather, you don't really want to be traipsing around getting things or going to places. You'd rather be nice and cozy. I know I would for a start. I hope you guys have a lovely day. If you like this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it so you're notified every time I upload. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. I love you all so much, and thank you all for subscribing. Bye, guys.